Why fruits are important to your body. Everything about the importance of fruits for healthy life. Often you must have read or heard that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Yes. Use of apple. Apple is a power food packed with soluble fiber that helps in controlling insulin levels, cleanses and detoxifies the body, helps in eliminating heavy metals like lead and mercury. The pectin in this red delicious apple fruit helps to reduce cholesterol levels by lowering insulin secretion. An apple has only 50 to 80 calories and no fat or sodium. This fruit is power-packed with vitamin C, A, and flavonoids and small amounts of iron, calcium, and phosphorus. You can eat an apple or add it into your desserts or drink a good glass of apple juice. Use of banana. Banana is a very popular and staple fruit that is often eaten by many of us. Besides being a good source of carbohydrates, fiber, magnesium, vitamin C, potassium, and vitamin B6, this fruit boasts other benefits. One amazing thing about banana is that it has a naturally sweet taste, cheap to buy, and always available throughout the year. It is casually eaten for its taste, texture and gives fullness to the stomach when eaten. This is a caloric-dense fruit and makes one feel energetic. The potassium and magnesium are available in this fruit aid in maintaining normal blood pressure and heart protective, while the high potassium content also promotes bone health. It has an antacid effect and is said to protect against stomach ulcers. Use of grapefruit. The benefits of this fruit include vitamin C, A, and B5, potassium, lycopene, and fiber. It is also packed with essential vitamins to support the immune system that helps prevent free radical damage. Use of mango. Mango is an excellent, wonder fruit amazingly packed with a bunch of nutrients, extremely rich in minerals, antioxidants, vitamins, and enzymes. This fruit is considered the king of fruits. It is also one of the richest sources of vitamins A, C, and E, minerals like potassium, calcium, iron, and phosphorus. Additionally, these iron-rich mangoes are high in antioxidants, low in carbohydrates, and help combat stomach acidity. Use of orange. Oranges are noted for their rich source in vitamin C and a good source of fiber, calcium, vitamins A and B1, folate, and potassium. They are highly beneficial of the body as vitamin C is an antioxidant and offers immune support. Add orange in your midday snack or goes well in a fruit salad. Use of strawberry. These sweet lovely red little berries are a popular source of vitamins C and K, potassium, iodine, omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, etc. is widely used in making of salads, desserts, and a variety of dishes. Being a seasonal fruit, they are best used when it is fresh as it has a lovely taste and full nutritional benefits. The flesh of fresh strawberries makes an excellent facial mask that rids the skin of dead cells and heals blemishes. Use of guava. This is a nutritious fruit packed with numerous health benefits. It is considered as one of the superfruits having rich antioxidants, vitamin C, polyphenols, carotenoids, and rich in dietary fiber. The fiber in guava can help in losing weight and reducing cholesterol levels. Vitamin C is an important antioxidant abundance in guava fruit and contains even more vitamin C than in oranges. One guava fruit contains about 377 milligrams of vitamin C. You could top your salads with diced guavas or use the guava juice into your smoothies. Use of papaya. This is a delicious tropical fruit with a high dose of vitamin C having a great taste, flavor, and numerous health benefits. It is a fruit that is worth eating in your daily diet. You could easily add them into fruit salads or eat them just like that. Use of watermelon. An excellent summer fruit to indulge on, fresh, very juicy, and a rich source of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. It is also incredibly hydrating as it contains about 92% water, hence is naturally low in fat. Watermelon is rich in potassium and helps to retain calcium in the body, resulting in stronger bones and joints. Overall, there are many fresh fruits that contain high amounts of vitamin C. Hence, making fruits a part of your daily diet would provide the required nutrients to the body and keeps the body hydrated. Eating fruits improves blood circulation, improves the digestive system, gives an amazing glow to the skin and shine to the hair, and promotes overall health.